There is a small possibility that we won't get enough Galaxy S25 Ultras in 2025, according to one of the 5 new updates we have on the device. According to Exynos, the S25 Ultra screen has improved brightness, color accuracy, and viewing angles. You might assume that Samsung is using the newer M14 display panel, but it's actually the same M13 panel from the 24 Ultra. Competitors like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pixel 9 Pro XL use M14, but Samsung appears to be using last year's display tech to save money. Rawson said that phones with AI are more costly and need more storage and battery memory. In an attempt to balance the budget, it seems that manufacturers are reducing display tags. Silver Shadow, Moonlight Blue, Sparkling Blue, and Sparkling Green will all be available for the S25. While the S25 Ultra features colors like Titanium Black, Titanium Blue, Titanium Gray, and Titanium Silver, the S25 Plus adds Midnight Black to the list of S25 colors. Don't forget that these are the typical colors. As of now, the web exclusives are yet unknown. In a browser responsiveness test dubbed Speedometer, the Snapdragon 8 Elite more than doubled the result of the S24 Ultra and even outperformed the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which was formally launched by Qualcomm a few days ago. In other words, when comparing the S25 Ultra to the S24 Ultra, you'll notice much quicker and more seamless online surfing. Exynos has verified that this time around, none of the devices in the S25 range will employ Exynos or Mediate tech. Even better, the S26 series will continue to use Snapdragon, but Samsung intends to bring back Exynos processors with the S27 if they fix the present yield concerns with their chips. Samsung is fully committing to Snapdragon internationally, and the performance of the 8 Elite is fantastic news. Even while I doubt Exynos will be able to compete with Snapdragon, I do hope they don't completely abandon Exynos since competition helps with pricing and a Snapdragon monopoly might raise chip costs. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.